Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Monday.com automations are not working, maybe tasks aren't updating, status changes don't trigger actions, or notifications stopped. Don't worry. This usually happens because of trigger issues, permission problems, or automation limits. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1, check the automation activity log. Open your board, then click Automations, then Activity Log. Here you can see if an automation failed, was skipped, or hit a limit. Step 2, verify the trigger column still exists. If a status, date, or person column was renamed or deleted, the automation breaks. Edit the rule and reconnect it to the correct column. Step 3, confirm automation limits. Go to Admin, then Billing, then Usage, and check if your account exceeded the monthly automation actions. Step 4, check user permissions. If automations assign people or move items, those users must still have access to the board. Remove inactive users and update assignments. Step 5, reconnect integrations. If your automation uses Gmail, Slack, or other tools, open integrations and reconnect the accounts. Expired permissions often stop automations. Step 6, turn the automation off and on. Disable the rule, wait a few seconds, then enable it again to refresh the connection. Step 7, duplicate and recreate the automation. Sometimes a rule gets corrupted. Delete the old one and build a new version of the same automation. Step 8, contact Monday.com support. If nothing works, the issue could be back-end related. Send screenshots of your automation and activity log to support. Most automation problems happen due to changed columns, permission issues, or hitting limits, and these steps fix almost all cases. Follow these steps and your Monday.com automations should run smoothly again. See you in the next guide.